Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zenefits login problems, account and verification errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing issues logging into Zenefits, follow these steps to resolve account and verification errors. First, ensure that you are using the correct username and password. Double check for any typing errors or accidental spaces. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address associated with your Zenefits account. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. If you're having trouble with your email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential conflicts. Another option is to restart your browser or try accessing Zenefits in incognito mode. If you are still having issues, consider trying a different web browser or device. Make sure your browser is up to date as older versions might not support the platform. If your account appears locked, be aware that multiple failed login attempts may have triggered this. In such cases, wait for a few minutes before trying to log in again. For verification errors, ensure that you've completed all necessary verification steps. Check your email for any verification messages from Zenefits and follow the instructions to confirm your account. If you're still facing issues, it may be worth contacting Zenefits customer support for further assistance. Keep your account information handy to expedite the support process. Utilizing the Help Center on the Zenefits website may also provide additional solutions and resources. Following these steps can help you effectively troubleshoot and resolve your Zenefits login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.